Registered the 1st of October 2013 on a 63 plate with only 7,468 miles, with full Honda service history. 6 services. Finished in striking pearl cosmic black, this example comes equipped with a Honda top box, heated grips, top box rack, top box light, genuine Honda radio and speaker kit, Heli Bar Riser and crash bars. The Pan European ST1300 is smooth, comfortable, powerful, and beautifully built. Whether you're after a refined long-distance tourer or a capable daily commuter, the ST1300 should be high on your list. Its low seat height, easygoing nature, and legendary V4 engine delivering effortless performance in any gear make it a joy to ride. This is a superb example that wants for nothing except a new owner and the open road. This bike will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT, comprehensive PDI report, and 3-month warranty. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK. We are also able to assist with finance. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424444448 or email sales@hastings.motorcyclecentre.co.uk.